I care about that more than I care about you being here. Okay, so guys, one of the rules about visiting family in America is that you bring them junk stuff from South Africa. Yeah. All the junk you can think of, all the things that we no longer eat. We'll eat. They eat because they're like, oh my God, I want that, I miss that. Like we're not there anymore. We don't eat that anymore in South Africa. And for them it's like a dream come true. It is a dream come true. I'm very excited. That's all I care about that more than I care about you being here. Ah, I'm joking.
How sad would that be?
How sad is that? So just wait and see how excited they are about to be.
This is so heavy.
Do 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 do. And I brought them a suitcase. Are you serious? What the?
This is nice, actually.
A suitcase within a suitcase. That's what I brought them.
Oh, this is actually nice.
Wow. Okay. Because when you come to America, you always need an empty suitcase because you never know what you're gonna go back with. That's true.
And here we go.
Here we go, my in-law. Get into my video. Oh, sister. Oh, we got lunch bar. Tasting my favorite. This time around, I didn't bring any biltong. I didn't bring anything that could be slightly illegal. No. I avoided. And Jack, can you get the small suitcase that was hand luggage, please? Oh, sister. Oh, somebody got wine. That's royal wine. That's Bayede. Oh my God! Look, Zoo. Look at that one that you are opening. That's the one from the royal household. Oh my God!
Why are you screaming like that?
This is a lot. That's a dice.
Wait, who ate this the last time too?
Yeah, I love this. They finished like this because everybody. Ooh, I know what this
You guys make good wine.
We don't know what that is. Ultramel. Oh my God!
What is Ajumel?
Jack, look at your aunt.
What is Ajumel?
Oh, it's custard.
God. I'm gonna cry. You know what happened the last time?
What happened?
Kuku got Ultramel from her sister. She just left it somewhere. It expired.
No.
So she left it in my car. I took it and I tried to. It was expired. So this one we're drinking it today. But you're not allowed to drink this because it's not good for men. Okay.
How? Abantu bancishwa kanjalo.
Ah, thank you for Ultramel.
Okay, so Ultramel takes the cup.
Yes, I'm happy.
I brought you those because they have Indian flavored curries, so they are a Durban thingy.
Nice.
I was like, I'll let you try them. Then if you like them, next time I'll bring them.
Bring them. Oh,
Because I'd never seen the Indian curry flavored ones.
yeah, me too. It's just the Nigerian one, but Indomie is good. Oh, this is nice.
I like this.
Oh yeah.
And they didn't have the big cakes, I think because Christmas is
Over.
No, it looks like this one. Something's in here too.
Oh, it's
Because
nice.
Jack brought this out for us.
Eh?
They brought this out for us. What is it?
Zoo, like in school we used to eat this a lot. It's called smoothies.
Smoothies?
Say it's smoothies.
It's smoothies.
yes, it's smoothies.
P.S. I'm not giving this to anyone. And I'm not sharing my stuff this time around though.
Watch.
Ah.
What? Oh, do you have timestamp? I mean date stamp? Watch.
Oh,
That one is for you, my in-law.
Oh my God.
That's for my in-law. Do not share with anyone.
I'm waiting for.
That one you do not
I
share.
noticed that when he opened the wine, did you see? He was a bit disappointed.
And they have new flavors.
Are you coming to this town? That's awesome. Wow.
How do you feel?
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, sister.
Mm.
Weak coffee. I had weak coffee. I'm not allowed to drink coffee wrong.
But you can give it to your guest, though.
I'm not giving it to nobody.
How?
I will
No,
drink it once a month.
eventually she will start drinking, but now she's not allowed to drink coffee.
I'll drink it once a month. these cottons, you have to take one, and I take one. Because you know the last
What is she gonna have?
No, she's not getting any of that. We're gonna make you fufu. Jack, do you like these? Yeah, you like them. Everybody likes cottons. Finish them all by himself. They were like,
Jack does the same at home.
how Jack
I go to sleep with a full pack. I wake up, everything's gone.
How? You guys have this in Nigeria, right? In Primara. This is so
This
good.
one.
Oh my God! Oh, Chappie! Oh!
I don't know what that is.
We used to eat this at school. A lot. Oh, Mom. Wait, where's my phone? This is Zube. You think you've tasted gum? Taste this.
Is it gum?
This is gum.
And that's the first Google. Every pack you open, you must read what's inside.
Wow.
So we had Google before Google.
Yeah, oh. Oh, well, let's come the last time.
I don't know. Exactly. He's laughing at you too.
We love the champion. I'm an Nigerians too, love the champion. I think I only ate once. Everybody will come. No, I will. They'll be like, do you still have? Can I have one?
Something that's we have a gum that smells like Nigeria.
Oh, in Nigeria, not here?
Yeah, in Nigeria.
How's it taste? I don't know. I wish you bought more of these.
But I wasn't sure.
I want to sell it.
How?
No, I'm not going to sell this one.
You should have said.
I forgot. Like the last time, I even gave her all our LA pack. They liked it.
So now you wanna
Yeah,
sell.
she put it like literally. She'll put it on my food. On it, she'll cook something. She'll put that on it.
But Jack, why is your sister wanting to sell everything in life? I'm even afraid she's gonna sell you.
Okay. Well, if people want it, there's a demand for it. Oh, sister, thank you so much. Jack, thank you. How's the gum? Good, right?
But it's hard though.
Yeah, obviously. And then that's what it's called chippies. You chew it until it gets soft. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
For some reason, I am so excited about this ultra male. God bless you for this thing. I will make you jollof rice today, okay? Literally, I will make you jollof rice. Guys, you have no idea what this means in my life. And it's the best thing in the world. I have ultramel and almond and tasty and ruminant.
2,000 years later.
And it's the best thing in the world. Because guys, you have no idea what this means to me.
Jack, thanks, man.
Almond. Huh. And if you ask, please ask his God. Look. Hey. This is my sister of mine.
Oh, well, it's good.
Because
These are for sale?
that much.
Is that what's here?
Oh, these are Ankaras.
No, Ankaras.
Oh,
So that's for cook.
For who?
Cuckoo.
What's that one?
Without fruit. Cider.
I want one.
You can say, I knew that's why one is out. Because I knew you would do it.
Yeah.
No, but she's
Google is
getting
soup.
wine is ready.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so she's getting this by everyone.
Oh, my God. Oh, that's nice.
Buy it, buy it.
It tastes so nice. I'm gonna play.
Okay, this one, Zamo. This one, Zamo.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Bien đấy, ăn cá.
That's from Samo.
Yes.
Who is Samo?
My manager.
Alright.
Oh, thank
You don't know your manager, you don't know your size?
I don't know. I don't care.
If it's big, you gain weight. If it's small, you lose weight.
No, I'll dig it. My mother-in-law is a seamstress, right? That's what you call that? Seamstress?
Jack, seamstress. Seamstress. Can you take?
So I support you moving down.
Whoops, have you ripped it already? Oh, it actually fits. That's so funny. It looks big. That means I'm that big. It's nice, yes? Hey, Tanda, where's the mirror?
Where's the mirror?
Where's the mirror?
Where's the mirror? That look good.
Yeah, Tanda, never. Oh my God, I look like my father. It's so nice. Hey! That one eye in this way. Yippee! Jesus is Lord! This is nice. I'm excited. You was ganja, this size one. Oh, I love this at church. Oh, big room. Oh, shoot.
Mess it up?
My arms. That's what I have a problem everywhere. Oh, they turn that. This is big. This is nice. Let's see what she is. I'm coming. This is your wife.
I know.
This is your wife.
You don't have to try on the shoes now, you know.
She will try on everything.
Oh, babe, that's so cute. The color is so great. Thank you. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I'm a target. Yes, oh yes. This is nice. Ooh.
Why are you spoiling her?
How?
Because she's my baby sis.
Oh, push
If I don't spoil her, who will?
She's not the only one you have.
I'm relieving you because if I don't do it, you must do it.
Exactly. The men's again. Oh, that's nice. How stay. You are so sweet. Ungena, P. Ungena. Babe, do you know what Ungena means? When do you enter?
It's so
When you was?
When do you enter?
Enter where?
It's like
it means it's none of your business.
Oh.
What business is it of yours? This is how you impress your American family. Just buy them all the junk and rubbish from home and then they will love you forever.
Edward, don't say that. This is not junk.
That's when I shoplifted. That's when I stole. That's when I borrowed from the neighbors.
Jack is like, can we just
It's
go?
true.
Yeah, I asked Jack to go and keep the neighbors talking while I got into their house and open the windows.
Do you realize it's on camera though?
Always so good to be here. But I have many neighbors. Even if I say it's the neighbor on my right hand, if I'm in this door, this is right hand. If I'm in the other door,
That's the right hand.
Mhm.
So,
Okay.
you can never know.
thank you. I thought you said you didn't come to shop. So you have 2 bags here.
Because I know you always have rubbish to send me home with you.
Oh, we have 5 bags.
Remember the last time how much we struggled?
I know, right?
Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.